Meaning of judicial restraint.
Judicial restraint.
Judicial restraint.
Judicial restraint.
Judicial restraint. Judicial restraint refers to the idea that judges should limit the exercise of their own power when interpreting and applying the law. This can involve showing deference to the decisions of elected officials and respecting traditional legal precedents, rather than using the court system to push a particular policy agenda. Proponents of judicial restraint argue that this approach helps preserve the separation of powers between the judicial branch and the legislative and executive branches of government, and allows for more stable and predictable legal outcomes. Critics, however, contend that taking a restrained approach can result in injustices being perpetuated, particularly in cases where marginalized groups are seeking legal protections from discrimination or other forms of harm.